Check it out, riders. Mazda 69 Caprice. Just done. I'm a fan of these 69s and 70s shape. I'm a fan of these. I did have a 70 myself at one time, and I love the shape of these things, especially that rear pillar. That rear pillar, you can't beat that. This is a Caprice. I did have a custom coupe. Custom coupe always comes straight down there at the back. It doesn't, the rear pillar doesn't curve like that. I'm always a fan of the custom coupe like that. Personally, I think they look better. We've got OG skirts, which are hard to find these days. 14x7s, 2-pump whammy setup. If you know the difference between 69 and 70, 69 has the rectangular shaped lights at the back, where the 70s have the longer lights vertically. And these are horizontal. So that's your difference between 69 and 70. She's a nice shaped car. Caprice. My Staffy's name's Caprice. I love that rear quarter. Perfect. Love that. But yeah, she's a nice clean car. Pretty much all OG interior. That's all Caprice interior. I think it's been retrimmed, I'm not sure actually. Gnarly wheel. Actually feels good on the hands. 4 switches. Just lay and play, simple setup. Eights at the front, 10s on the rear, 2 ton of coils at the front, just soft coils at the rear. Just some old lay and play setup, nothing too fancy, just something to raise up and lower. It's got hideaway lights, but they're not hooked up yet. That's still going to hook them up. But you know, she's a clean ride. Yeah, I don't know, I'm a fan of the 69 70s. I reckon, especially when they're up on 3 wheels. Yeah, so white on black. White on black interior. Sitting low. Yeah, I love them custom coupes. Love that cutthroat pillar. Nice car. So I'll just give a little tap on the front and rear. So that's raised up. Did extend the arms on these, top A arms, just an inch. Not dramatic, not too much, just nice for a little bit of camber. That's locked up at the moment. I'll give a little view with the arse down. I like them long rear quarters on the 69 70s. I reckon they look real good. Nice little clean ride. I'll show you the setup in this. So this setup was actually in my 62 Impala, my anniversary gold 62 Impala. I'm going a different route with my setup, and this was up for offer, and Maz jumped on it. And that's her now. Heart transplant. Into another car. But a little bit cleaner. You know, it was all stripped back down, right down to the gears, everything resealed, retightened. You know, we got some oil coolers on that, old school 8 ZZs, which yeah, I wish I kept them, but you know, that is what it is. We just got Delta Z's with long candles, little engraved tops on them, little touch. The motor end caps are also engraved. Let's try and get that a bit better. Got a bit of engraving and just diamond cut. But yeah, good checks. HD motors, 14-inch tank, all chrome setup. 36 volt to the rear, 36 volt to the front. All strapped down nice. Full wrap bar right around the batteries. Little custom tag. From the Lowrider shop, Sydney, Australia, which all my custom setups get. And AJ69 little plate that got made for the backboard, which we just put a bit of black trim on that. So yeah, just another nice little clean setup, all repainted, different color. Had to do a bit of chop and change to refit, but it's all good. Everything's in good working order. And we're just gonna keep this baby moving. So Lowrider shop again, doing what I love, doing what I gotta do. Sometimes it gets hard, but you gotta keep on pushing. And I hope everyone enjoys this. Another little ride. Keep the content moving, repping for Sydney, Australia, and enjoy.